This is a customer's 1988 4Trax 300. Did all kinds of work to this one, not just the new plastic, but as you can see, it does have the Maier, I don't know how you pronounce it, plastic. It's also got all 4 new tie rod ends, new lower steering stem bearing and seals, new front wheel bearings on both wheels, new steering stem bushing at the top, and while I had it apart, I went ahead and painted the racks and got this rack off of eBay because the one that was on it was bent real bad, not repairable. Did an oil change, of course. Gonna put another spark plug in it. I had the rear brakes apart, but the shoes were in good condition, almost like new. But went ahead and adjusted and lubricated everything that needed it, and new rear end fluid. A little less glamorous repair. I put a new vent hose on it. I didn't like the hardware kit that it came with, so I just zip tied that piece on. I'm going to get some of those plastic rivet type pieces to see if I can adapt that a little bit better. Battery box turned out nice. We don't have the holder for it. The bar that would go drops down from here across the battery hold down bracket. We don't have that. So speaking of the hardware kit, which I didn't like, I went ahead and bought some nylon bushings and mounted those. Not the most aesthetic, but should help it be more durable. So this thing starts right up. A bit of timing chain noise, but that's kind of to be expected of something this age that's probably been abused a few times. It goes through all the gears good, goes into reverse good. This thing's ready for some work. I also painted the rims, just a quick coat of silver rim paint, nothing special. Also rebuilt the petcock, rebuilt the carburetor. Thanks for watching.